Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to handle warranty or service lock conflicts on smartphones or tablets, especially when the device is still under the manufacturer's warranty. How to fix warranty or service lock conflicts on smartphones, tablets. What is warranty or service lock conflict? This usually happens when a device has built-in warranty protections or service locks, like OEM locks, carrier locks, or manufacturer seals, that prevent unauthorized repairs or software modifications. Attempting repairs or unauthorized servicing can trigger these locks, causing the device to refuse further service or void the warranty. Step 1. Identify the type of lock or conflict. Check if the device is OEM locked, for example, bootloader locked on Android, carrier service lock, SIM or network lock, manufacturer warranty seals, physical tamper-proof stickers or software locks, activation lock or factory reset protection, Apple iCloud lock or Google FRP. Step 2. Verify warranty status. Use the device's IMEI number or serial number on the manufacturer's official website to confirm warranty validity. Do not attempt any unauthorized repairs if the warranty is active and you want to preserve it. Step 3. Contact manufacturer or authorized service center. Reach out to the manufacturer's customer support or visit an authorized service center. Explain the problem and the conflict. Authorized centers have the proper tools and permissions to handle warranty locks. Step 4. Avoid unauthorized software or hardware repairs. Avoid flashing unofficial firmware, rooting, or jailbreaking if the device is under warranty. Unauthorized actions can trigger warranty void warnings or permanent service locks. Step 5. Use official repair or unlock tools, if applicable. For some manufacturers' carriers, there are official unlock procedures or repair tools, for example, Samsung's Smart Switch, Apple's Genius Bar services. If unlocking is required, only use official software or carrier-approved methods. Step 6. If warranty is void or unknown, proceed with caution. If you have already done unauthorized repairs or warranty voided, you may need third-party repair services. Use reputable repair shops specializing in your device brand. Be aware that some locks, for example activation lock, may be impossible to bypass without original credentials. Step 7. Backup your data before any repair or unlock attempt. If the device is accessible, always back up important data, photos, contacts, documents. Use cloud services or local backups before sending it for repair. Step 8. Reset or reactivate device using official channels. Sometimes after warranty lock issues, a factory reset or reactivation via official accounts, Google or Apple ID, may be required. Ensure you have login credentials before performing resets to avoid being locked out. Step 9. Document all service attempts and keep receipts. Keep track of repair or service history. This helps if you later need to claim warranty or escalate issues. Summary checklist. Verify warranty and lock type. Contact authorized service center. Avoid unauthorized repairs or unlocks. Use official repair unlock tools. Backup data before service. Keep documentation. If you want, I can also help you with specific device models or brands, for example, Samsung, Apple, Huawei, because the process can differ slightly depending on the manufacturer. Just let me know.